back to our channel. We're back together because we're going to do something today. Something special? Is it special? Is it special?
Yeah, it's special.
So what are we gonna do today?
Sure, we're going to unbox this package from Deco Therapy.
So they have a Facebook page. It's called, here again, Deco Therapy PH. Yes, so they also have a website and you can check that here.
Deco Therapy sells wall stickers.
Right?
Cute and beautiful.
Yes, cute and beautiful stickers. So if you want to beautify your plain walls, like our plain walls right here, you can order one from Deco Therapy, especially from Cebu, because they are actually just here in Cebu, so they can quickly process the product for you. So so here we go. Let's start unboxing this now. Okay, so here we go. We ordered 2 stickers. Okay. Oh,
Okay.
so first one. Okay, you can show yours first. This is actually for you because you like to draw. Yes. So you can show it to everyone. So this is for Tyler. Okay. Here. So we are going to show you how to install this one. We're excited because we're going to have our beautiful walls right after installation. you think, guys? Nindot ra? Ako nindutan ko. Cute siya. Very affordable. And if you guys want to order, you can just message the Facebook page of Deco Therapy PH. Alright? So as you notice, Tyler is not here anymore. Kaya gitapoy na siya. Giduka na siya. So I will be doing the other one. So I will be showing you again how to install it. Okay, so time to use our card. Or you can use anything flat, maybe similar to an ATM card. You just do this like this. Oh wait, okay. I think I can warm that one like something. Okay. Just do this like this.
Hey guys, I'm back now. So I did a little rest, but my mom is doing very good. So she did regular tape and the other one.
Okay, so he's back because he actually was planning to sleep already, but he's back. Are you energetic again?
Yes! So
Okay, so
I will clear the tape, please.
yes, please. I was actually waiting for your help.
Can
Here, slowly. Okay. Slowly. Oops. Oh, wait.
It dented.
We'll start from the edge. Okay, gamitin ko ang card. Wait. Wait. Get the gunting, please.
Scissors, you meant?
Of course. And then,
peel the tape.
yeah, it's time to peel the plastic actually. And the tape. Mama, would you start here, please? Oh, no, here. Like this. Wait, no.
Peel.
It's magic. magic.
It's so
So,
peeling it is so satisfying.
you do this.
I'm satisfying. Satisfying, right? Mom.
Mhm.
Satisfying. Satisfying. Oh,
So what does your wall say now?
every child is an artist.
Thank you guys. We hope that you like this video.
Please do not subscribe to our channel.
Please do not subscribe to our channel.
Thank you guys.
We hope that you like this video.
Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
That's right. So see you next time.
And goodbye.
Bye.